I do! This is why we have to hide it. Our faults and fears must never be seen. It's the only way to protect the Hunmin.
This is the Hunmin I'm supposed to protect. I'm glad to see it destroyed. They do. It is. So we can be